Want a simple way to boost your health? Try smoothies. They're easy to make and incredibly good for you. Imagine starting your day with a delicious blend of fruits, veggies, and other healthy ingredients. That's a power-packed breakfast. Smoothies fit perfectly into a busy life, giving you a convenient way to nourish your body. This isn't just about a quick meal, it's about making a choice for a healthier lifestyle. With every sip, you're flooding your body with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's like giving your cells a mini celebration. And the best part? You can customize your smoothies to fit your taste and dietary needs. Think of smoothies as a delicious way to get your daily dose of fruits and vegetables. Many people struggle to eat enough produce, but smoothies make it easy and enjoyable. Blending allows you to consume a wider variety of fruits and vegetables, maximizing your nutrient intake. Leafy greens like spinach and kale become virtually tasteless when blended with fruits like berries or bananas. This way, you get all the goodness of greens without even tasting them. Adding ingredients like chia seeds or flax seeds boosts your intake of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, essential for heart and brain health. Can smoothies help you lose weight? Absolutely, but it's all about the ingredients you choose. A smoothie loaded with sugary fruits and ice cream won't help your waistline. Instead, focus on low-sugar fruits like berries, leafy greens, and unsweetened almond milk or water as your base. Adding protein powder, Greek yogurt, or nut butter can make your smoothie more filling and satisfying, preventing cravings later on. Remember, a well-crafted smoothie can be a meal replacement, providing your body with essential nutrients while keeping you full and energized. One of the best things about smoothies is their versatility. Don't limit yourself to the same old recipes. Get creative and experiment with different flavor combinations. Love tropical flavors? Blend mango, pineapple, spinach, and a splash of coconut water. Prefer something creamy and indulgent? Combine banana, almond butter, cocoa powder, and almond milk. You can even create refreshing green smoothies with cucumber, celery, spinach, and a squeeze of lemon. The possibilities are endless. The benefits of smoothies extend far beyond weight management. Regularly consuming these nutrient-dense drinks can lead to increased energy levels, improved digestion, and a strengthened immune system. When you nourish your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it functions at its best. You'll notice a difference in your skin's radiance, your hair's shine, and your overall well-being. It's amazing how such a simple change in your diet can have such a profound impact on your health and vitality. Incorporating smoothies into your daily routine is easier than you think. Invest in a good blender and keep a stock of your favorite fruits, vegetables, and other healthy ingredients on hand. Start your day with a smoothie for breakfast, or enjoy one as a healthy snack or meal replacement. Once you experience the incredible benefits of smoothies, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. So, unlock the power of smoothies and sip your way to a healthier, happier you.